Northwest here, HawaiiRealEstate.org, and GolfVillasForSale.com. I've got a very special treat for you today, offering for the first time on the market in quite a while, Unit 15. And why is T45 so important and special? Because T stands for trellis, which means, notice, I'm not going to go up any stairs or down any stairs, because obviously at the golf villas, the patios are down and the Vista units are up. But the trellis units, you can just walk right in. This is a beautiful 1-bedroom, 2-bath unit with beautiful golf course views. Very nicely outfitted, a very successful vacation rental. Let's get out to the important stuff. And look at this beautiful golf course view. Now, a couple things I want to point out with this unit that I think are important to note. Number one, it is in really, really great condition. One of the things about vacation rentals is they tend to stay in good condition most of the time because people are constantly checking in and out, and having a good management company is super important to help maintain and keep that unit in great shape. This is kind of nice, has sort of a large walk-in owner's closet right here. Lots of additional storage place. And this is that 3/4 bath. A lot of them don't have the 3/4 bath. Nice glassed-in shower. Full-size stackable washer dryer. And then you come around the corner here to a very nice oversized master bedroom. That's a king-size bed. The room is so big it almost looks like a single. And then over here we have a nice full bath. All right, well, hey, thanks so much for checking out the unit. If you're interested, feel free to hit me in the comments section, or you can reach out to me directly at 808-298-2030. And of course, if you're ever in the market to buy or sell a condo, home, or land on Maui, I'd love to be your guy. Aloha.